Good day, I'm Hazel S. Tadeo from BSED Math 3B. So this is the continuation. Project 2, explore its subgroups and draw a lattice diagram relating the different subgroups. So ano nga ba yung subgroup? If a subset age of a group G is closed under the binary operation of G is itself a group, then it is a subgroup of G. We shall let age less than or equal G or G is greater than or equal sa age. Denote that age is a subgroup of G, and age less than G or G is greater than age shall mean age is less than or equal siya sa G, but age is equal siya sa G. If G is a subgroup, then the subgroup consisting of G itself is the improper subgroup of G. All other subgroups are proper subgroups. The subgroup identity is the trivial subgroup of G. All other subgroups are non-trivial. So I call this as J. So J is contains HAZELSTDOMNCPIXR. So subgroup of J. So meron tayong tatlong klase ng subgroups, which is improper subgroups, proper subgroups, and trivial subgroups. So to check if it is part of subgroups wherein it satisfies the conditions of being a group, first, it is closed. G sub 1 is associativity. We need to rotate the table at 180 degree. After that, we need to interchanging rows and columns. So the result of that, it must be the same as the original table to be associative. And for the next is G sub 2. So identity has identity element. And lastly is inverse, has inverse for all. So let's start with the first category, which is improper subgroups. And last discussion, we identified that this table is closed, associative, identity, and inverse. So it is part of a subgroups kasi nga subgroup siya kasi nga nasatisfy niya yung apat na condition ng isang group. And for the next category is proper subgroup. So J sub 1 contains age AZELSTD under binary operation. So it is closed kasi nga lahat ng elements sa table is same siya sa set ng J sub 1. So ito yung kailangan natin gawin to check if associative nga ba to. Is i-rotate muna natin siya ng 180 degree and then kailangan natin i-interchange yung mga rows and columns kasi nga kung mapapansin nyo dito is hindi sila nakaayos kasi nga na-rotated siya ng 180 degree. So kailangan natin ayusin yung columns and rows. So unahin natin yung columns. So ito yung resulting ng pag-ayos ng column. So ito yung rearrange column. Kung mapapansin nyo, okay na yung column dito. So, Hazel STD. So, ito pala yung ginawa ko sa pag-interchange ng column and rows. So, yung T pinalit ko sa age. So, yung T pinalit ko sa age. Yung S pinalit ko sa A. And yung L pinalit ko sa Z. Ganun din sa row. Yung T pinalit ko sa age. Yung S pinalit ko sa A. And then yung L pinalit ko sa Z. And then, ito naman yung naging result ng rows. So, ayan. So, makikita natin itong rearrange rows table is kamukha siya ng original table. So, we can conclude that it is associative. It has identity element which is the age kasi nga gamit yung yung intersection. Kung saan nag-intersection yung upper row and then yung left column, which is si age. So, ito yung identity element natin. Si age. And for the inverse naman, ang pagkuha ng inverse, katulad last time, since alam na nga natin na si age inverse is equal siya sa age. And then si A inverse naman kasi is, ito yung row A. So, kailangan natin hanapin yung identity element, which is ito, si age. And then, hanapin natin yung katapat nitong si age, which is si D. So, kung susundan natin yung process, A inverse is equal siya sa D, and yung other element pa, ito yung magiging result ng inverse or mga inverse ng mga element. So, it has a inverse for all. So, as you can see, na-satisfied niya yung mga condition ng isang group. So, it is a subgroup. So, G sub 1 is a subgroups. Group. G sub 2. So, same process. It is closed. Kung mapapansin yung table is nasa set din siya ng G sub 2. So, rotated 180 degree, interchange row and columns. So, rearrange rows table is same siya sa original table. So, it is associative. So, it has identity element H and it has a inverse element for all. So, J sub 2, we can conclude that it is a subgroup kasi nga it satisfies all the conditions of being a group. So, next is J sub 3. So, same process. It is closed. It is associative kasi nga kung mapapansin niyo yung rearrange rows table is kamukha ng original table. It has a identity element age and it has a inverse element for all. So we can conclude that J sub 3 is a subgroup. So J sub 4, it is closed. Rotated 180 degree to check if it is associative. Ayan. And then, itong rearrange row table is kamukha siya ng original table. So, it is associative. It has identity element age. And it has a inverse. So, J sub 4 is a subgroup. For J sub 5, same process. It is closed. Kung mapapansin nyo yung table. And it is associative. So, kahit wala nang interchanging mga rows or columns, kahit rotated 180 degree na lang, makikita nyo naman na same na sila ng original table. So, age, also age, LOM. Tapos, age, LOM. So, age, LOM. So, parehas na parehas kahit wala nang interchanging row and columns. Hindi katulad ng mga nauna kasi nga, gulo-gulo pa yung columns and rows. So, dito, kung okay naman na, hindi na kailangan ng interchanging rows and column. So, it is associative. It has identity element which is the age. And it has a inverse element for all. So, for J sub 6, so, same process. Katulad ng J sub 5. So, it is associative. It has identity element age. And it has a inverse element for all. So, J sub 5 and J sub 6 is a proper subgroups. Or it is a part of subgroups. Kasi nga, it satisfies all the conditions of being a group. J sub 7, same process. So, it is closed. It is associative. It has identity element age. And it has the inverse element for all. So, J sub 8. Same process. It is closed. It is associative. It has identity element, which is age. And it has a inverse element for all. So, J sub 7 and J sub 8 is a subgroups. And for proper subgroups, so, ito yung mga last proper subgroup, which is si J sub 9, J sub 10, J sub 11, J sub 12, J sub 13, and for the trivial subgroup is J sub 14, which is age or yung pinaka-identity element natin. So, it is closed. Kasi nga kung papansinin nyo yung table, yung mga table, yung 6 table is close siya kasi nga lahat ng elements, each of the table is same sila sa sa set, sa mga set nila. So, it is associative din kasi kahit i-rotate natin to ng 180 degree, same lang din siya sa original table. Kahit wala ng interchanging rows and columns. So, it has identity element age. Ayan. So, same lang naman silang lahat. Na identity element is si age. So, merong identity element. And for the inverse is meron silang lahat ng inverse and ayan, kunyari sa J sub 9. So, the inverse is age. Inverse is equal to sa age and L. Inverse is equal to sa L. So, each element is, it has the inverse. So, we can conclude that it has an inverse. So, therefore, these proper subgroups, trivial subgroups, and improper subgroups is a group, or we can call this as a subgroups, since it satisfies all the conditions of being a group. And for the last one is we need to draw a lattice diagram using all of these subgroups. So, ito yung na-drawing kong subgroups. Ito yung na-drawing kong lattice diagram. So, sa una dyan is yung improper subgroup, which is si J. Tas, ito yung mga contains element niya. So, for proper subgroup is si J sub 1, J sub 2, J sub 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And lastly is for trivial subgroup, which is si J sub 14. So, thank you. So, to be continued.